Did you know that over 27% of online retailers are using the dropshipping business model as their primary method to fulfill orders from customers? And as a consequence of this, manufacturers and suppliers have also increased revenue coming from dropshipping. That's right. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of dropshipping and how you can profit from it online. Finding reliable suppliers can be tricky and effectively marketing products. To stand out in a crowded market can be a real struggle. But fear not, as we're here to guide you through these obstacles. Dropshipping is a retail model where an online store sells products without keeping them in stock. When a customer places an order, the store forwards the order and payment to a supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. This method allows businesses to avoid investing in warehouse space and unsold inventory, and can free up resources for other activities like marketing. Dropshipping can also be relatively inexpensive to start, with low overhead costs and no need to purchase inventory upfront. Dropshipping is an order fulfillment option that allows e-commerce businesses to outsource the processes of procuring, storing, and shipping products to a third party, typically a supplier. Starting a dropshipping business can be a low-risk way to enter the world of e-commerce, but it comes with its own set of challenges. Finding reliable suppliers, ensuring product quality, and standing out in a crowded market are just a few of the hurdles you may face. Additionally, managing logistics, handling customer service, and dealing with lower profit margins compared to traditional retail can be daunting. To succeed, it's crucial to approach dropshipping with a clear strategy. Let's explore how to navigate these challenges and set yourself up for success. Number 1, decide if dropshipping is the right business model. Before diving into dropshipping, evaluate if it's the right fit for your business goals and lifestyle. Dropshipping offers the advantage of low upfront costs and flexibility, but it also comes with challenges such as lower profit margins and reliance on suppliers for product quality and delivery times. Consider your strengths, weaknesses, and the amount of time you can dedicate to managing the business. Number 2, choose a niche. Selecting a niche is a critical step that influences your entire dropshipping venture. A good niche should balance your interests and market demand. Research trends, identify gaps in the market, and consider what types of products you are passionate about. Ensure there is a viable customer base and potential for profitability within your chosen niche. Number 3, research competitors. Understanding your competitors is essential to carve out your market position. Analyze their product offerings, pricing strategies, and marketing tactics. Look at their strengths and weaknesses to identify opportunities where you can offer something better or different. Use tools like Google Trends, SEMrush, and Ahrefs to gather data on your competitors' performance and strategies. Number 4, select a supplier. Your choice of supplier can make or break your dropshipping business. Reliable suppliers ensure timely delivery and quality products, which are crucial for customer satisfaction. Platforms like Alibaba Group, AliExpress, and Kalaska offer extensive supplier directories. Evaluate potential suppliers based on their product range, pricing, shipping times, and customer service. Establish a solid relationship with your chosen supplier to ensure smooth operations. Number 5, choose products and set prices. Select products that align with your niche and appeal to your target audience. Consider factors such as quality, uniqueness, and pricing. Set competitive prices that cover your costs and provide a reasonable profit margin. Pricing strategies can include cost-plus pricing, value-based pricing, and competitive pricing. Regularly review and adjust your prices based on market trends and competition. Number 6, build an e-commerce store. Creating a user-friendly and attractive e-commerce store is vital for converting visitors into customers. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Amazon offer tools to build and customize your store. Focus on a clean design, easy navigation, and mobile responsiveness. Integrate features such as secure payment gateways, product reviews, and customer support to enhance the shopping experience. Number 7, decide on a business structure. Choosing the right business structure affects your legal obligations, tax liabilities, and ability to raise capital. Common structures for dropshipping businesses include sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, LLC, and corporation. Consult with a legal or financial advisor to determine the best structure for your situation. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. Number 8, set up finances. Proper financial management is crucial for the sustainability of your dropshipping business. Open a separate business bank account to manage your finances. Use accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero to track income, expenses, and profits. Ensure you have a clear understanding of your cash flow and regularly review your financial statements. Plan for taxes and keep detailed records to avoid any legal issues. Some dropshipping businesses may bundle products together and sell them as a single item. For example, a dropshipping business could find a supplier with a large selection of craft supplies and then use those supplies to build their own crafts. Now let's talk about the key benefits of dropshipping that make it such an attractive business model. With low startup costs, you can get your online store up and running without breaking the bank. The flexibility to work from anywhere and the scalability to grow your business at your own pace are invaluable advantages of dropshipping. There are things you should know about dropshipping, which are cost. How much does dropshipping cost? The prices for the most basic dropshipping apps depend on the app itself, but the price can go up depending on your volume of orders and the number of imported products, and the transaction fee too. How do dropshippers get paid? Dropshippers make money from the difference between the wholesale price they pay for an item and the retail price they charge for it. Difficulty. Why is dropshipping so hard? However, as a dropshipper, you have no control over key aspects of your online store, like supply chain issues, shipping times, and product quality. But the product is everything. You don't have a business if your product isn't good. Success time. How long does it take to become a successful dropshipper? I'll assume your idea of success is to replace your full-time job income and you have no previous experience. A realistic time frame to be consistently making a good amount per month profit dropshipping is between 6 months and 2 years. Dropshipping requirements. How do I start a dropshipping business? Identify a niche. Select a specific market to target. Research competitors. Analyze what businesses in your niche are successful and why. Choose a dropshipping supplier. Partner with a reliable supplier that stocks products you want to sell. In the vast e-commerce landscape, dropshipping has gained immense popularity due to its low entry barriers and minimal risk. However, not all online stores are transparent about their business model. Here are some key ways to identify dropshipping websites. Check shipping times. Delays in shipping can be a telltale sign of dropshipping. If a website mentions extended delivery times, especially from overseas, it's likely sourcing products from third-party suppliers. Product selection. Analyze the product range. Common dropshipping items include trendy gadgets, fashion accessories, and niche products. If you spot generic or widely available items, dig deeper. Customs charges information. Look for any mention of customs charges on the website. Dropshippers often ship from countries like China, where customs fees may apply. Product reviews. Dive into customer reviews. If you notice phrases like seller or generic feedback, it indicates dropshipping. Authentic reviews provide valuable insights. Product images. Most dropshippers use stock images from suppliers. If you see uniform white background product photos, proceed with caution. By being aware of these signs, you can better identify dropshipping websites and make more informed purchasing decisions. How to set up dropshipping. Follow these 7 steps to creating a successful dropshipping business. Choose a business niche. Figure out what products to sell and what market to focus on. Find a dropshipping supplier. Design the brand identity. Build an online store. Register the business. Take care of the finances. Promote the online store. Example of best dropshipping suppliers websites: Brands Gateway, AliExpress, Kalaska, CJ Dropshipping, Shopstar, Perfect Deals, Spocket, Cosmic Pets. Gadget Guys Online, The Sense, Shane, Man's Republic Distributors, Planet 54. How does dropshipping work? Partner with a dropshipping supplier. Find a dropshipping supplier that offers products you want to sell. Set up an online store. Next, create your online store. Receive a customer order. Forward the order to the supplier. Supplier prepares and ships the product. Customer receives the product. How to ship when dropshipping. Once you decide on your shipping policy, you will need to consider how you want to ship your products. Most suppliers offer their own carrier accounts to ship out your products with. However, a large majority of them also will let you use your own carrier account upon request. To wrap things up, let's summarize what we've covered today. Dropshipping offers a unique opportunity to start an online business with minimal investment and maximum flexibility. Remember, success in dropshipping comes from dedication, continuous learning, and adapting to market trends. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on dropshipping. Share your thoughts or experiences with dropshipping in the comments below. Let's build a supportive community of online entrepreneurs together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.